Last week we warned of a 2 to 300 point drop in the S&P coming. As it stands right now, we're 130 points off the highs. This is Invest with Jacob. So last week we told you that the market was top heavy, and because of the amount of whipsaw in the market, it was unlikely we were going to hit our targets. We did think we would get one more high, which we did not get, but we told you that a 2 to 300 point correction was coming, and as it stands, we're down 130 points. Now we'll get into that in just 1 second, but first, if you're new here, welcome to the show, guys. My name is Jacob Gabbard, and this is Invest with Jacob, and I highly encourage you to hit that subscribe button down below so that you can get our daily S&P updates, our trade setups, and our buy alerts. Okay, so the way the market was trading, there was just too much whipsaw. It would make a high and pull back, up, back, up, back. It just wasn't trading in a smooth, clean fashion, and that doesn't indicate wave 3 trading. So at that point, I had to zoom out and look again and decide that we were probably in a larger wave 1 here, which meant that we were headed for a wave 2 correction, which we are now in. So if we take a look at the charts, I think we can best see this on there. Okay, guys, so here we are on the futures chart, the 1 hour futures chart. I'm doing the futures so you can see exactly where we are right now in the overnights. And what we have is what we're looking at here is this 5-wave structure. So we got our lows here. We've got wave 1 up, 2 down, 3 up, 4 down, and then we topped out here at 5 up. That is what we are indicating. And the reason we switched to this count is all of this whipsaw from here all the way across this up, down, up, down, up, down. This is not indicative of wave 3 trading. And so at that point, we had to decide where we were. And zooming out, you can see a clean 5-wave structure here that gives us the top of wave 1. Well, when I see that the top of wave 1 is coming, that makes me say, well, wave 2 is coming after that, and wave 2 is going to be a larger pullback. 2 to 300 points is what we decided, and the reason for that is wave 2s tend to target either the 38.2 or 50% extension, retrace of wave 1. And those numbers on the ES are 4052 to 3989. And that's where we got the 2 to 300 point correction coming. Now, our next target is going to be 4052 on the ES. That's our next support target where we're looking to possibly buy if it bounces. If not, it's going to be down closer to around the 4,000 range on the SPX, but it'll be 3990 on ES. So these are our two targets. 38.2% retrace is 4052, and the 50% retrace is 3989. And as we know, in Elliott Wave, getting waves 1 and 2 in place are the hardest part because you're kind of just guessing where the top of wave 1 is until it gets itself in place, and you start to get the pullback that indicates wave 2 is in progress as we have now. So we're looking at this 5-wave structure being wave 1 of 5 of 3, okay, with this pullback being wave 2. And once we find our bottom in wave 2, we'll be entering wave 3 of 3 with a target of around 4440, somewhere in that range, depending on how deep wave 2 goes. We'll have a better idea once wave 2 is in place, but that's what we're looking at now. So our next buying opportunity is going to be at the bottom of this wave 2 when we bottom either, we hope, at 4052 or 3990, and we bounce. And then we're looking to target 4440 off of this bounce and have an excellent buying opportunity with a market that's ready to scream higher. Okay, guys, so this pullback still has several days in it. We're at 4128 right now. It's still got a solid 100 points or so to come down, so it's probably got another couple days, if not a week or so in it, because you're going to have some bounces in there. You're going to have a pullback, bounce, pullback, until we get down to our target. And then once we get down towards those targets, we'll look to buy and enter. Guys, if you want to know when we're going to buy and when our next buy alert is, you need to get in my Facebook group. There's a link down below in the description. From there, you get right in our Slack channel. It's a free chat channel. You get my real-time market updates where I tell you what the market's doing during the day, what I think it's going to be doing, and any of our buy setups and buy alerts. I tell you what we're buying, when we're buying, give you expiration dates, all that stuff, so you know what to do. Even if you don't understand Elliott Wave Theory, which is what we use, I give you the exact parameters to buy your SPY options. Okay, guys, so key takeaways for today is we're going to continue to watch this pullback. We're looking for at the bottom, as I said, around 4052 or 3990. And when it does, we are looking to buy the market there and go long the SPY and hopefully hit that 4450 target. Okay, guys, that is the market update for today. I will talk to you tomorrow.